Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to cover something that is consumed daily here in Kuwait, no matter the time of day: coffee and tea. You'll learn keywords and phrases to help you speak Kuwaiti during gatherings and impress your loved ones with your new language skills. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest videos. And if we haven't met already, hi, I'm Michelle, an American expat married to a Kuwaiti, and I struggled for years to learn Kuwaiti Arabic. Not being immersed was a key issue. It was only when I got super intentional with what and how I was learning that I was able to make progress. And here with me is Zahra, the one who helped me devise a plan, create a system, and start bridging the language gap, which ultimately has made me feel more confident in my efforts and abilities with speaking Kuwaiti Arabic.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Zahra, a native Kuwaiti and co-founder of Kuwaiti Simplified. Together, Michelle and I have created a program to help expats married to Kuwaitis learn Kuwaiti Arabic and understand cultural etiquette and norms here in Kuwait. We could easily communicate in English. So after many discussions, we made it our mission to help ladies who struggle to learn Kuwaiti Arabic due to lack of resources learn Kuwaiti Arabic, like her.
And I am so happy with what we've put together and the support that we provide to ladies in our space. Over the years, we've helped many individuals connect with their Kuwaiti family and friends through our lessons and continue to provide support in any way we can because we understand the intricacies of navigating a new life, language, and even religion.
All right, so tell me, what do you like, coffee or tea?
Ooh, that's a hard one because coffee is my lifeline and it starts my day, but tea is also great and I drink it throughout the day. I'm curious what others have to say. What's your favorite, coffee or tea? Let us know in the comments below. All right, let's get started with some essential phrases for coffee and tea in Kuwait. Coffee in Kuwaiti Arabic is qahwa.
Yes, and here we have more than just Western coffee like espresso, Americano, latte. We drink Arabic coffee too. You'll most likely see Arabic coffee being served alongside tea in a container called a matara at gatherings. And we drink coffee and tea, morning, noon, night, you name it. The Arabic coffee is basically part of our culture. So if I invite you to my house, the first thing that you'll be served is tea and Arabic coffee. So we have to have two mataras. One is tea, one Arabic coffee, always, no matter what the time of the day is. When asking for coffee, say, Abi, qahwa. To ask for tea, say, Abi, chai.
A common phrase that I often hear for serving coffee is اتفضل قهوة, and for tea, اتفضل chai. Can you explain to us what this means?
Now, qahwa, coffee, chai, tea. Tufaddal here means here you go, but bear in mind, tufaddal is for a man. If you're talking to a lady, you'll be saying تفضلي قهوة, تفضلي chai. Basically, تفضلي is a nice way of saying like here you go in a very polite way. Did you know that shaking your coffee cup slightly signals you're done drinking coffee? So if someone is walking around refilling coffee cups and someone shakes theirs slightly, that means they're done. This is only for Arabic coffee though. Do not shake your espresso cup. It's a subtle but important gesture in Kuwaiti culture.
Okay, let's do a quick role play where Zahra will translate what I say into Kuwaiti Arabic. Welcome. Would you like some tea or coffee?
اتفضل. تبي قهوة ولا chai? For a man here. If you're talking to a female, تفضلي. تبين قهوة ولا chai?
Yes, please. I'd like coffee, if you don't mind.
إيه شكرا. أبي قهوة إذا ما في كلافة.
Okay. Here's your coffee. Enjoy.
انزين. هاج هذه قهوتك. بالعافية. Now this, if you're talking to a female, you tell her هذه قهوتك. If you're talking to a male, هذه قهوتك. بالعافية.
Okay, so let's go over some other important words and phrases that we can find ourselves using during coffee or tea time.
Okay, I'll give you some that will help you communicate. Please give me the sugar. ممكن تعطيني الشكر؟ Do you have a spoon? عندك قفشة؟ Female. عندك قفشة؟ Male. Is this Arabic coffee? هذه قهوة عربية؟ Do you have more cups? عندك استكانات? عندك استكانات? Now when I say استكانات, it means the small teacups. But when I say فنيان, it means the coffee cups. So it depends on what type of cups you're using. I drink my coffee with milk and sugar. أنا أشرب قهوتي مع الحليب والشكر. Would you like more coffee? تبي قهوة بعد? If you're talking to a man. تبين قهوة بعد? If you're talking to a female. No thank you. لا شكرا. Yes please. إيه شكرا. Can you pour me some tea? عادي تصب لي شاي? For a man. عادي تصبي لي شاي? For a woman. How do you like your coffee? شلون تحب قهوتك? For a man. شلون تحبين قهوتك? For a woman. I prefer tea. أفضل الشاي. This coffee is delicious. القهوة لذيذة. Thank you for the coffee. شكرا على القهوة. May I have another cup? أبي استكانة ثانية. If you want tea. أبي فنيان ثاني. If you want the small Arabic coffee cup. How is the tea made? شلون نسوي الشاي? And when they tell you how they made the tea, you'll most likely hear ingredients like cardamom, which is هيل, and زعفران, which is saffron.
Join us at KuwaitiSimplified.com to start mastering conversations and connecting deeper with your family in Kuwaiti Arabic. Please give our videos a thumbs up and share it with your friends as well. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos on Kuwaiti culture and language. See you next time. Ma'as salama.